Hi there, it's Pascal here, and in this video I just want to answer a question I got from a lady that was basically asking me how long does the program or course of online business work. How much is basically how much does it need to pay to get training. So what I was, because I know a lot of people will have this challenge when they are looking to start out. They are thinking that you think online business is more like this is how much it is, like a pair of shoes. This is like 50 bucks, then once you pay it, then you get the training and it's done. Now, it's not that way. It doesn't work like that. Actually, I am an event now when she called. So I was trying to explain to her that it's an ongoing process. It's not, you don't start a business and say you open for only 1 year and you close. It's something that you have to build that will go for a very long time in your career. It's basically something that you build for life. So if you are looking to start and you're struggling to understand online business and its creativity and how to go around it, I would like you to understand that you have to, you know me, I normally talk about events. And I'm in one event now, which is in Skyline Hotel, Heathrow, London. So it's basically marketing mastery. Let me show you the banner so that you can see. Because the point is, when you get yourself in the room where people, it's marketing mastery summit. It's an information desk. So it's for you to understand the process, the mentality behind starting a business. A lot of people say, come in with the idea, I want to learn how to, I want to make money online, or I want to start a, not necessarily, they just want to make money online. But what you have to understand is you're actually going to build a business, and that's, you should be looking for trainings that give you a foundation to actually build a business to grow, not just to make money online or how to make some sort of income, side income. It's okay, it sounds, to make side income, but I want you to really understand that it's a business and it takes time. And so for you to have the proper right foundations when you're starting out to actually get it to work. Now I'm gonna take you, that's my share to you. I just want to take you around because sometimes people see us online and they don't think we are real. And so I am actually going to look for a few people that you might know their face. I don't know. I'm looking for, hi Helen, you want to say hi? Hi. So that's Helen. Yeah, so we're real people. I want to take a car video, right? Okay. Yeah. You said that to me later. And if you hear me speak about my mentor, this is Justin. He is my mentor. He's always training me. So yeah, I always talk to. Want to say hello?
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Yes.
How you doing? Who are we making this for?
YouTube. YouTube.
Awesome. We're live at a massive marketing event, and we're learning how to really connect with people. Peeling back the layers, peeling back the veil, our own interests, to understand how to connect with other people's interests, right? Because that's why we live. We live for our own being, our own needs, our own desires. Stuart's killing it there today. What do you think so far?
Thank you very much. Awesome. Awesome. Brilliant. I literally came here, made a decision 6 hours ago.
Love it. Hopefully it was the right one.
It's the best. Hi, man. You alright? You want to say hello?
So, yeah,
Eddie, I've known you, man. Come on.
So everything in here is a big difference.
Nice to meet you, man. How you doing?
Fine. I've seen him in challenge in the community, but I've not met him live. So seeing him now is like I know him. That's why I should have saw you.
That's one of the things that you get from coming to events like this, is when you finally meet the people that you've been seeing on camera so often. It's a very not surreal experience. It's when the experience becomes real. So you know, when you start surrounding yourself with people like this regularly, the energy increases. We all lift each other. It's an essential part of the process of your growth journey.
Absolutely,
So
man. Thanks. That's it. So I'll see if I can grab a few more people. We're not allowed to film inside, so obviously, I guess you get the message. Turn up to events and do whatever you can. Get the right training for your right mentorship, and understand that it's online business. It's about empowering yourself, and it's going to be an ongoing process for your lifetime. So treat it as such, and it will serve you well. Over and out for Pascal. Take care. Bye bye for now.